Hi everybody, and welcome to the week of December 6th to December 10th. For today, this is our last kind of normal week, so let's talk about it. As always, Tuesday, TRFs. I see you guys in the library. 2 focus notes due to me December 10th. Then we had Academic Genius Minutes on Wednesday. You just worked on whatever you needed to work on. And then on Friday, once again, just a brief grade check. How are we doing? We did Road Trip Nation 5, and then we had a bit of a fun Friday. For our Fun Friday activity, we were just kind of hanging out together and chatting. Okay, let's talk about Road Trip Nation 5. Oh, we did book it for our Fun Friday activity. But for the work, you guys had your final. This is the only thing that was really required for me. Just your final reflection. How did you do on this biography? You had to share your road for those of you that turned in your interviews through here, and then the assessment. This is just to access the lesson, but these two are really required for you to do as well as this, okay? So that's what you guys did today on Fun Friday. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, send me an email, contact me. You guys know what to do. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.